Hey ladies, my name is Sarita and welcome to Curly Trails, where you will find inspiring videos for women over 40. We as women are very sensitive to the negativity around us, and as we age it becomes even difficult for us to handle all that. If you think that you're constantly in a state of stress, you are always in tension, your everyday life is affected by it, then I strongly recommend that you consult a doctor. So today we'll be doing some yoga asanas that will relax and calm your stressful mind and help you cool down. It will help you free your mind of all the tension and help you relax and look forward to life with more positive attitude.
So let's get to the mat. Sit comfortably on your mat, erect position. We'll start with some deep breathing. Take a deep breath from your nostrils and slowly exhale. Repeat again. Deep breathe in, slowly exhale. One more time. Take deep breath and slowly exhale. We'll do some neck exercises next. Look towards your right, then towards your left, again towards your right, left, one last time towards your right, again towards your left. Now up and down. Again move your head up and down. Once more, up and down. This will give your neck a good stretch. Next, tilt your head towards your left side. You can give a slight push with your hand if you want. Then slowly tilt your head towards your right side. This will loosen the tightness around your neck and shoulders. Now slowly tilt your body towards the left side and your right hand above your head, giving a nice stretch to the right side of your body. You can feel the nice stretch on the right side of your body. Concentrate on that stretch. Stay there for some time and then come back. Now do the same on the other side. Bend towards your right and give a nice stretch to the left side of your body. Stay there for some time and then come back. Repeat the same again on both the sides. First towards your left and then slowly turning towards your right. These stretches loosen the muscles around your waist and helps to make it more flexible. Now we'll come back to our sitting position. Next we'll do a twist. For that, keep your right hand on your left knee and your left hand should be kept just behind you and look behind over your shoulders. This will give your body a nice twist. Try to keep your spine as erect as possible and look behind. Now stay there for some time. Twist done early in the morning on an empty stomach is very good for your metabolism and also for your digestive system. Now do the same on the other side. Your left hand is on your right knee and your right hand is just behind you and you're looking behind over your right shoulder. Stay there for some time and then you can come back. Slowly you can come out of your position. Come to your original sitting position now. Now slowly change your sitting position. Keep both the legs on the ground, your left leg in the front and your right leg towards you. Now slowly bend down and reach your forehead towards the ground. Extend your hands and lay down there for some time. Experience the stretch on your lower back and your thigh area, your hips. You can feel a nice deep stretch on the lower area of your body. Move towards the right side and you can feel a deep stretch on the left side of your body. Slowly turn your body towards the left side and experience the deep stretch on the right side of your body. Stay there for some time, then slowly move back to the center and slowly come up. Now we'll do this again once more. Come to the ground, extend your hand and try to reach your forehead to the ground. You can stay on your elbows if you cannot touch your forehead to the ground. Do whatever is comfortably possible for you to do. Stay there for some time and slowly move towards the left side. Stay there for some time. Experience the deep stretch on your lower side of your body. Now slowly move towards the right side. Don't make quick moves or don't give any jerks to your body. All the movements have to be very slow. Now come back to the center. Stay there for some time and slowly get up. Now slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll come to a tabletop position on your hands and knees for a cat-cow pose. Now breathe in and let your belly drop. Slowly breathe out and pull your belly right inside. Look down. You should form a hump over there. Again, breathe in and your belly down. Now breathe out and make a hump. Do this a couple of times more. This stretches out your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Once more. Pull your belly right in and make a hump. Now slowly get up to a downward facing dog position. Deep breathe in and walk out your leg. You will feel a stretch on your thighs and calf muscles. You'll feel much better when you walk it out. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe out when you do that. Now slowly take your left leg up and keep it in between your hands for a pigeon pose. Rest your hips down on the mat and look straight up. Come down to your elbows and feel the stretch. Take a deep breath in and go down to your mat. Keep your forehead on the mat and lay down there for some time. Now deep breathe in and slowly come up. Pull yourself up. Take your left leg higher and come back to the downward dog pose. Now we'll do the same on the opposite side. Lift your right leg up and slowly bring it between your hands. Look straight up. Take a deep breath and come down on your elbows. Slowly keep your forehead to the ground and hold. Concentrate on where you're feeling the stretch. Breathe into it. Slowly breathe in and come up. Sit straight and then lift yourself up. Lift your right leg and come back to the downward facing dog pose. Hold and come back on your knees and hands. Sit down to a child pose. Stretch your body, stretch your hips, your back, your hands, and hold. Don't forget to breathe. Take a deep, nice breath. Slowly come up and sit in Vajrasana. Now slowly come back to the tabletop position. We'll do some nice relaxing poses. Take your right hand over your head and slowly bring it between your left hand and left leg. Put your head down and lie down there for some time. Keep your left hand over your head. Now hold this pose. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now slowly come out of that position. Pick yourself up and come back to the tabletop position. Now lift your right hand and bring it between your left hand and left leg. Keep your head down and your right hand over your head and lie down there for some time. Hold that position and keep breathing. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more time. Deep breathe in, slowly breathe out. Now slowly come out of that position, pick yourself up and come back to the tabletop position. Sit on your ankles and come to the child pose. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. Now you can get up and sit in Vajrasana. Next we lie down on our mat. Fold your legs and raise it straight above. Keep it straight as much as possible. Try to hold your feet if you can. Keep your hands and legs straight. If you are not able to hold your feet, you can hold on to your ankles or your calf also. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Hold this posture for some time and slowly let it go. Bring your legs down very slowly, bit by bit. Let it slowly reach the ground. Fold your legs again one more time, and now we'll go into the bridge pose. This pose is also called as the Setu Bandhasana. Here we'll push our hips up and form a straight line from our neck to the knee. Hold this pose for some time. Push up your hips as up as possible and slowly come down. We'll do that one more time. Push your hips up as much as possible. Don't forget to breathe and slowly come down. We'll do that one more time. and push up your hips. Try to go as far as possible. Breathe in, breathe out, and slowly come down. Extend your legs and take a deep breath. Lay down for some time. Fold your legs one more time, but this time hold the soles of your feet and push your feet as much as possible towards your armpit. Try to roll on your back towards the left and right. You must have seen little babies playing in this posture. They seem very happy while doing so. That is why this posture is called as the happy baby posture. You can roll on your back as long as you want. It's a nice relaxing pose. When you are done, come back to the mat. Now fold your legs and keep your right leg on your left knee and hold your left knee towards yourself. Try to pull your leg towards yourself as much as possible. Breathe deeply. Hold this pose for some time. And slowly let go. Change your leg. Now keep your left leg on top of your right knee and pull your leg towards yourself with the help of your hands. Pull it towards you as much as possible. You can feel the nice stretch on the lower back and your hips. Don't overdo yourself. If you feel pain, you can immediately let go of your hand. Now when you are done, keep your legs back on the mat. Straighten out your legs. Now again, fold your right leg, hold it towards yourself and keep it slowly down on your left side. Extend your right hand and look towards your right side. Your knee should touch the floor and your right shoulder should also be touching the floor. Deep breathe in and breathe out. Take another deep breathe in and slowly breathe out. This is a beautiful stretch that will totally relax you. Bring your leg back. Now fold your left leg. Hold it close to yourself and slowly keep it on the right side. Extend your left hand and look towards the left side. This pose is very soothing and relaxing to your body. Lie down on this pose for few moments. Take deep breathe in and slowly breathe out. Once more, breathe in and slowly breathe out. Now come back, press the leg towards yourself. Now fold both your legs, deep breathe in and bring your forehead to touch your knees for Pavan Muktasana. Hold this pose for some time and come back to your mat. Beautiful. Now lay down, relax your hands and legs, your whole body for Shavasana. Let your body loose. Loosen up your feet, loosen up your legs, your hands. Loosen up your tummy, your face, all your facial muscles. Relax. Relax your whole body. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly turn towards one side and get up to your seating posture. Now we'll end this session with the Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Hold your mudra in this manner. Hold your thumb to your left nostril and breathe in through your right. Take a deep breathe in, hold the breath for a while and slowly breathe out through your left. Again breathe in through your left, hold the breath and slowly breathe out through your right nostril. Take a deep breathe in through your right, hold the breath for a while and slowly breathe out through your left nostril. You can do this repeatedly for 5 times. Pranayama decreases stress and improves the quality of your sleep. It also helps people with depression issues. Rub both your hands together till it is warm and keep your hands over your face, your eyes and your whole body. Let the positive energy you received through yoga spread throughout your body.
Thank you friends for doing this practice along with me today. Feel free to come back to this video and do this flow whenever you need to relax your mind. Please like and share this video and comment down how you felt after doing this practice. I would really love to know. So we'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.